This is the Aerlang A11, and I think this might well be one of the best budget electric scooters on the market. I've been riding around the city and just enjoying it over the last little while, and I'm going to share with you today what I like and what I don't like about the Aerlang A11. Let me just run through with you what it comes with out of the box. Now, the unboxing of the Aerlang A11 was super easy. It comes with an 800 watt motor at the back, and I'm going to talk a little bit about that a little bit later on. It's got dual mechanical brakes, front and rear. It's on 10-inch tires, which is kind of nice and they are off-road tires, which is terrific today because I'm riding around the trails. It has suspension, front and rear, which is pretty awesome. Just takes out all those little bumps. At the front, you're going to notice here the light. Pretty powerful light at the very front there. Now it's bright sunny daytime right now, but my goodness, that light, that's pretty awesome. It's got an obnoxious noise for a horn. It's so loud, that's crazy loud. It does have indicators and they show up both front and rear. The display is full color and we've got a little thumb throttle. So far so good. As I said, I'm really enjoying this. And as a budget electric scooter, I'm kind of astonished that it comes with all this because I've had scooters in the past that don't even have things like suspension. And this has a bigger battery. Oh, that's the other thing, 18.1 amp hour battery, which means range-wise, you're gonna get pretty decent range as well. It's got a max capacity of 265 pounds, but I am at the top end of that. And so going up some of these hills, it doesn't quite have the horsepower to get up these steeper hills. But if you don't have super steep hills, this could be really quite a good fit for you. So let me share with you what I like and what I don't like about the Aerlang A11. Number one is the kickstand. I think the kickstand is just a little, it keeps the whole scooter just a little too erect. So it has a tendency to kind of want to fall. So, you know, if you're on flat ground, no issue. Number two, the deck. The deck itself, it's lovely, it's big. But it's a funny deck because I find that the actual handlebar itself kind of gets a little bit too close to me. It feels like the handlebars are just a little bit too close to me. Not a big deal. The folding mechanism is pretty straightforward. Let me show you. There's a collar at the front. You lift it, and then the whole thing folds down and then folds into a spot on the deck, like here. And then it's actually pretty straightforward and manageable. Not too heavy, which is kind of nice. And then, of course, the reverse to undo it. And now I'm clamped down. Pretty solid up here as well, which is pretty nice. I am liking the light. The light is pretty bright, and I'm really liking this display. Let me just show you. It's a pretty simple display, but it's really easy to read, even in bright sunshine, and turning it off is really simple. You just hold the button and press it down, turn the power on, power's right up. If you press the button twice, it'll actually scroll through the different types of modes and turn on or off cruise control. So really easy, and the thumb is right here. One sec. I inadvertently managed to turn on eco mode, which is really slow. We're going up a bit of a gradient here. We're doing about 15 miles an hour, which is 24 kilometers an hour, give or take.
A few moments later.
All right, let's do a little bit of a speed test, shall we? Put this motor to full power and away we go. 20, 25, 30, 35. We're actually still accelerating here. 40. The brakes are pretty solid. And one thing I do like is the cruise control, because I can just set it to like 25 kilometers an hour and just leave it there, and it's a really comfortable speed, especially on a chilly day like today. Hello. So if you're looking for a budget solution electric scooter that has power, a little bit of top speed, nice range, comfortable with suspension and air-filled tires, which are 10 inches, the Aerlang A11 may be just for you. The lights, thumb throttle, 2 dual brakes, mechanical, but still dual brakes. This is a solid little unit. I'm really happy with it. And you know what? For the budget-minded person, I think it'd be a really good fit.